Okay, everyone, quick question. If your friend says you must watch this movie versus you might like this movie. Wait, let Sam finish.
Which friend is more excited about the movie?
The one who says must, obviously.
Exactly, and that is exactly what we are talking about today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Explore English Podcast. I am Hina.
And I am Sam, and we just did something sneaky.
We started the episode before we introduced ourselves.
Because we wanted to hook you immediately with a real question.
And now you are already thinking about may, might, and must.
These three little words change everything in English.
They change the level of certainty, the strength of your message.
Do you know what happened to me last week because of these words?
Oh no, what happened?
My boss sent me an email that said, "You must finish this report by Friday."
Okay.
And I thought it was just a suggestion.
Oh no, must is not a suggestion.
I know that now, but I replied I might finish it by Friday.
You said might to your boss?
Yes, and she called me immediately.
What did she say?
She said, "Sam, this is not optional. You must complete it. Not might, not may, must."
Oh, that is so awkward.
I was so embarrassed. I had to apologize.
But you learned an important lesson.
Yes, must means you have no choice. It is a requirement.
Okay, so let us break this down for everyone.
Yes, because these words are everywhere in English.
Let me ask you something, Sam. Right now, at this moment, are you thirsty?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, so you might want some water later?
Oh, might means maybe. There's a possibility.
Exactly. Might is like 30 to 40% certain.
What about may?
May is similar. Also maybe. Also a possibility.
Wait, so may and might are the same.
Almost. They're like 90% the same.
What is the 10% difference?
May sounds slightly more formal. Might sounds more casual.
So, I may go to the party sounds more polite than I might go to the party?
Kind of. But honestly, most native speakers use them interchangeably.
Oh, good. So I do not need to stress about the difference.
Not really. Just know they both mean maybe.
But must is completely different.
Totally different. Must is 100% no maybe.
Like, you must wear a seatbelt in a car.
Yes, that is a rule. You have no choice.
So, must is for obligations and requirements.
Exactly. And here is where it gets interesting.
What?
Must can also mean you are very sure about something.
Wait, what? I thought must was only for obligations.
Okay, imagine you see someone carrying 10 shopping bags.
Okay.
You say, "You must be tired."
Oh, that is not an obligation. That is a logical conclusion.
Yes, you are saying, "I am very sure you are tired because you are carrying so many bags."
So, must has two meanings, obligation and strong certainty.
You got it. Context tells you which meaning.
You must do your homework is obligation.
And he must be rich. Look at his car, is strong certainty.
This is so cool. I never realized this.
Want to hear something funny?
Always.
When I first learned English, I mixed these up all the time.
Give me an example.
Okay, so I was talking to my friend about weekend plans,
Yeah.
and she asked, "Are you free Saturday?" And I said, "I must go to the mall."
What is wrong with that?
I meant to say I might go to the mall, like maybe I will go.
Oh, but must makes it sound like you have an obligation.
Exactly. My friend said, "Oh, do you have to work there?"
She thought you were forced to go.
Yes, I had to explain I meant might, not must.
These little words make such a big difference.
They really do. They change your entire message.
Okay, let me give you some rapid-fire examples.
Go.
1. I may be late to the meeting.
Maybe. Possibility. Not certain.
You must try this cake.
Strong recommendation. You really should.
It might rain tomorrow.
Maybe, looking at the clouds, possibly.
Students must submit assignments on time.
Obligation, rule, requirement.
You are so fast.
I have practice.
But here is a question. Can we use must for the past?
Ooh, good question. This is tricky.
Tell me.
Must does not have a past form like musted.
There is no musted?
Nope, that word does not exist.
So how do we talk about past obligations?
We use had to.
Oh, so I must finish this becomes I had to finish that.
Exactly. Had to is the past form of must.
Yesterday I had to work late, not yesterday I must work late.
Perfect. You got it.
What about may and might in the past?
We use might have or may have. She might have gone to the store means maybe she went.
So we're guessing about the past.
Exactly. We are not sure what happened.
He may have forgotten means maybe he forgot.
Perfect.
English has so many ways to express uncertainty.
It really does. That is what makes it rich, but also confusing.
Let us talk about advice. When do we use these words for advice?
Good topic. Must is for strong advice.
You must see that movie. It is amazing.
Yes, you are strongly recommending it.
What about might?
Might is for gentle suggestions. You might want to bring a jacket is a soft suggestion.
So must is pushy and might is gentle.
Kind of. Must shows strong feeling, and might is more neutral.
You must try this restaurant versus you might like this restaurant.
Perfect! The first one is enthusiastic. The second is casual.
So choosing the right word shows your emotion level.
Yes, that is exactly it.
What about in negative sentences?
Oh, this is important. Must not is very strong.
You must not smoke here.
That is a prohibition. It is forbidden.
So must not is stronger than do not.
Yes, do not smoke is a request. Must not smoke is a rule.
What about may not and might not?
Those mean maybe not or probably not. I might not go to the party means maybe I will not go.
She may not answer your call means maybe she will not.
Exactly.
So the negative forms keep the same meanings. Must not is still strong. Might not is still maybe.
Yes, the core meaning stays the same.
Can we talk about pronunciation? Because I hear people say these words differently.
Yes, in fast speech, these words get shortened.
Like must becomes almost muss without the T sound?
Yes, you must go instead of you must go.
I might have instead of I might have?
Exactly. That is natural connected speech.
So in movies and conversations, I will not always hear the full pronunciation.
Right, but when writing, always write the full word.
You may have seen it in speech, but you may have seen it in writing.
Perfect.
Let us talk about polite requests.
Oh, yes. May is very polite for requests.
May I use your phone sounds very formal and polite.
Yes, much more polite than can I use your phone?
Do people actually say may in real life?
Honestly, in formal situations, yes, like at work or with strangers. May I have your attention, please? At a conference.
But with friends, I would say, can I borrow this?
Exactly. May is too formal for close friends.
What about might for requests?
Might is not really used for requests. It sounds strange.
Might I have some water? Sounds weird.
Yes, very old-fashioned, like from a period drama.
Like Shakespeare or something.
Exactly. Do not use might for requests in modern English.
Let me test you with real-life situations.
Okay, go.
Situation 1. You're at a friend's house. You want to use the bathroom. What do you say?
May I use your bathroom? Or more casually, can I use your bathroom?
Your doctor tells you about your health. You have high blood pressure.
The doctor says you must reduce salt in your diet.
Your friend asks if you are coming to dinner. You are not sure.
I might come, or I may come. I need to check my schedule.
You see your friend looks sad. You are guessing why.
You must be upset about something. Do you want to talk?
All correct. You are good at this.
Thank you. I have been speaking English for many years.
And everyone listening can get to this level too.
Absolutely. Just practice and pay attention.
Speaking of practice, we want to hear from you.
Yes, write a sentence in the comments using may, might, or must.
We will check your sentences and give you feedback.
Do not be afraid to make mistakes. That is how we learn.
Every sentence you write is practice.
Thank you so much for watching this episode.
Yes, thank you for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to Explore English Podcast.
And give us a like. It helps other learners find us.
Tomorrow we have another great topic.
What is it?
I think we are covering should, would, and could.
Oh yes, another important modal verb trio.
So come back tomorrow.
Until then, keep practicing.
You may make mistakes. You might feel confused sometimes.
But you must keep going. You are doing great.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Keep learning.